Welcome back to another episode of Lazy Driver Diner. We are here at a Walmart and I am about ready to go in and get grocery shopping for food on the truck here. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, here's Walmart. We are here. Looks fairly busy actually, so probably not going to film while I'm in there. Just hurry up, grab what I need. It's like 1 o'clock right now, maybe 1:30. So when I shut down or something, we'll go through everything that I got, talk about some of the meals that I plan on making, and I'll show you one of them that I'll be cooking tonight. See you then.
Come out at night on the edge of a quiet forest. But the heart of the South is far from quiet. The streets filled with a chorus of a song that plays all night and day with that Music City sound. It can't be denied that Southern high society's all around. Don't matter if it's nighttime, daytime, it's playtime down by the white line. When the guitar shreds, keep turning heads to the sound coming out of Broadway. Oh my Lord, if you catch that Ford spinning gold-plated wheels, get me the finest field, LA high heels, and all that sets the feel. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights. Give me a big old home where the buffalo roam, out in the heart of Franklin. Gotta earn your spot, get to the top, on the outside looking in, where shine meets fit, writing #1 hits, always on the go. If you love this town, just look around and tell everyone you know. Don't matter if it's nighttime or daytime, it's playtime down by the water line, where the kids are shed, keep turning heads to the sound blowing out of Broadway. Oh my Lord, if you catch that Ford spinning gold-plated wheels, give me the finest field, LA high heels, and all that sets the feel. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights, of the Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights.
first things first is the chicken. Next up, the traditional basil pesto. Red and yellow tomatoes. Asparagus. And some olive oil. And you'll need some garlic. Fresh garlic preferably, but I have this, so we're doing Up next is getting all your vegetables, your chicken cut. I took the breast up, I cut it in chunks of squares, however you prefer to do it. I took the asparagus, cut the ends off, the very ends, cut them in half, and then we're just laid out our tomatoes. You can cut these in half. I'm not going to, just because it's the reason of having messes. So up next is we are going to put the chicken into there. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, now that the pan is nice and hot, we want it really good and warm. We are going to take our olive oil and just put a little bit in here. And a little more. That ought to do. Take the pan, just get it coated all the way around the pan, nice and evenly, the best you can. Sometimes it doesn't want to move around. That's good. So now we're going to take our chicken and we're just going to place it in there. Like so. Yeah, listen to it sizzle. That's what you want. That is what you want. Once you get that placed in there, I like to add my ingredients. So we're going to do the garlic salt. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Now we're just going to let that fry up for a minute. So we'll come back when this is all nice and golden brown, looking really good, and I'll show you the next step. Alright, so we're starting to get a little bit of golden brown on here. I want to go ahead, throw in the basil pesto, which I'm getting all over my fingers. Hold on, let me wipe that off real quick. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of this. We're going to turn our pan down a little bit, move it over. Add 2 tablespoons of that. Stir it all up in there. Man, that looks good. Now that we got that done, go ahead and take our vegetables, throw it on in there with it. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of water to steam these vegetables so they cook nicely. We'll just let those steam for a little bit. So I'll come back to you when this is all ready to be finished and ate up. Looks great right now. I'll show you the end product here shortly. Stay tuned. Well, there it is. Finished product, all done. Looking absolutely amazing. I mean, the color is just fantastic. So yeah, let's chow down. Alright everybody, you just saw the finished product of it, so I'm going to take my first bite here, if I can get anything on the fork. Man, you guys need to cook this and try it. Let's get a asparagus and a red tomato on there with a piece of chicken. Everything's got a great combination. So, if you want to see more great food ideas like this, awesome cooking on a truck, a semi-truck of all things, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep making these videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.